Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to edit a professional cinematic portrait video. We will use Adobe Premiere Pro from start to finish. Let's create a new project and import your portrait clips. Organize everything inside the project panel.
Drag your portrait clips onto the timeline. Trim unwanted parts using the razor tool or by dragging the clip edges.
Let's rearrange these clips to tell a better story, moving the reaction before the action. And that gives us a perfect narrative flow. Want to create seamless scene changes? First, open up your effects panel. Now, just drag the cross-dissolve effect right between your clips and preview your smooth transition. Now enhance the colors using Lumetri Color. Adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and saturation. Let's look at a before versus after comparison. To create a dramatic look, we start with curves. We'll deepen the shadows and boost the highlights. Then, use color wheels to balance the tones. Here is your final cinematic result. First, open up the Effect Controls panel. Now, enable keyframes for both scale and position. Move forward in time and increase the scale value. Finally, preview your smooth zoom animation. To fix choppy slow motion, simply reduce the clip speed and enable optical flow. Now compare normal versus smooth.
Enhance your video. Add cinematic black bars. Apply some subtle film grain. Then, try a light leak overlay. Change blend mode for a professional finish.
Let's balance the background music with our dialogue. Just use the Essential Sound panel. Lower the volume here for a much better mix. Now add a whoosh for maximum impact.
Finally, export your video using H.264 format in 1080p or 4K for the best quality. Your cinematic portrait video is now ready to share.